Piyinda meti watching why ni natin yakobo ni tieni ngo apoyo bedo ni kakanono apoyo me maro this YouTube channel kaneke na menenwa ye rombe iti nenwa from TikTok, from Facebook, from Instagram kakanore kena doko ini mahawaii rakoni apoyo ni natin ni tikere Ambrose Makatom ame wanu ngeni Ambrose Liberty dong apoyo ba.
Yo, my name is Nyao Ambrose Liberty Makatom. Kanoke na yini winya ye kailu kani Ambrose Liberty ni we mordo.
Nulu ngatapat.
Nulu ngatapat.
Erka ko Makatom ye.
Pien gina na ngeye keden.
Uber Makatom.
Ana Makatom. Kare kain.
All right, Ambrose. Pijo me maro no follow the production music. Yilao kan pikara Paul. Ubedo like Annabelle ngarachiele yakina genwa following Ambrose Liberty. Ero Ambrose do ya de ruwe yuko. Peda an kera ba jo Paul da ubeti mo. Jo Paul ubero ko Ambrose pe. And indeed Ambrose no pe.
Manti me pieda. Okay, now. Nyo. Pe nen ba koma pe tengena pe.
Okay.
Ana bero ngata me angyongo ate amito. Angyongo ate amito. Arobote mungino keda mate ate mokakano keda mate ate miye.
Tekati mito.
Tekati amito.
Okay.
Okay, I am alive.
You are alive.
Ana ate kwa.
We tomorrow kokni Ambrose Liberty.
Ambrose Liberty
is alive.
Still alive.
Ambrose Liberty still alive.
Still alive.
That is my current jingle because me ata unia log jingle loko. We do ngatorogo shima tepenya ni atelo ke Ambrose atelo ke ghost because penya ni atelo ke Ambrose atelo ke ghost because enanatieni wano kwanya na contribution wameiko Ambrose Liberty.
Hey.
So then I was like, are you for real? I am Ambrose Liberty. From that time I turned to video and said, this is me. I'm the one.
Edda ruendo. Ruendo.
Anatie da bolu wera nyit kare. Mora bolu ni gino ba oti opira kara to ye. Gino ba oti kona paro mo bore mangatoro. Ana mo tama mate biru ataka. Pero ba kona kere jama eno ti kona. Ana mo tama machumpi en keke atwa I want.
Ambrose Liberty still alive.
Kinarwaro ti kona warena atwa ye. Biara mo pore mangatore la woka. Onyito tie ko hata.
Mohane aberango.
Atwa ye. Mohane abera.
Awi anna na wi magweli mohane ativo. Mohane abera be.
Gino abera be. Gino yedo rieriesha. At least mohani abera be. Pangoto do yero lo ko sha. Mohani gero megi. Ile ko. So mio jauno ati ko.
Ambrose tie ana nu Ambrose tie.
Ko begi ni ngulu ko be.
Ambrose tie.
Ambrose Liberty still alive.
Ambrose tie uru.
Ana tie ko.
So Ambrose kodo ko matiteni. Ambrose ko tie beru kwere. We ko penyo ko penyo matiteni.
No. Ka yini penyo kitu no bala ko pieni chani wilo buti chunching jokan.
Okay.
Akari ana tie beru US. Nuoti kwena. Nuoti
ka.
Teki kwanyo ka chimite moyo ngoa imito.
Ambrose.
Typing Ambrose. Inu ngetika no.
Okay.
So gama penyi ni kitia beru kukwe no. Abela tak fiera ko bini ana tie.
Now Ambrose. For quite some times, I don't want peoneni kede. Tutwala work videos. Peoneni videos. Winyu kere audios. Unyo videos are nyendang tie.
Pahati yeni yini imaro ketu chimo ka iri. Pieni tingnudi duanga jochani ma dungi etu video tirwa.
Video tirwa.
Irwa. Na hata ye every kuna hata ye no. Kai me video merti. Yes.
Uchung wiara ko ngyo nu Ambrose tie kitabe tie ke ni ano balla wi because Ambrose ruwenye ko anu pe tie neno
awade chari iti look lieli yeti look gida ko
angir ko that you dia Ambrose ge loki tie Ambrose ge tie
omi biru ni kan ko ngashel pera do ngeni nungo ko ba Ingin iti woto kiti woto.
Kada jorwin. Kongda gen tek ni tie.
No, I'm alive.
Okay.
Because gina perite kwa.
Okay, the truth is, if something has changed about Ambrose.
Yeah.
And I don't know what it is really.
Yeah.
But I believe something has changed about Ambrose. Because Ambrose, Ambrose dok pe. Ilohani Ambrose wa kawan miro nena Ambrose kenu miro koda ho ukule pepinyo timo. Ukule pepinyo to nena Ambrose. Pierana bida no Ambrose tie. Ambrose ti very humble. Ambrose that lock do Ambrose do ko.
Okay, now let me tell you one thing. There is time for everything and season in life.
Okay.
Okay. So hiring here as a noisemaker. Yes, that was the season of making noise. Probably I was making noise for people to know me.
Yeah.
Now, do you want me to continue making noise? But there are things sometimes I'm doing may not allow me to make noise. When you get me in the office, do you expect me to shout, "Hey, Mike, what's up? You know, this kind of thing."
Wagwan warikita.
It's no longer there.
Okay.
That was making. So right now, when you get me over, hello, yeah, Michael, how are you? You're most welcome. Have a seat. Yeah. Then you know, level keeps on changing.
So yinang lock level. Yinang lock level. Ambrose lock level ko. Okay, I think everything about Ambrose has changed. The production level has changed. There was this discussion who is the best producer. Amewanu ngeo. Nying Ambrose pun liber dang bina kari ko nujo tia kwero.
Okay, the truth is, to some point, when God takes you to another level, you need to go to another level also.
For you to understand.
Yes, because if you remain there, these are the people you grew up with them, and and they cannot go to another level. But for you to know the level that you're in, take a step. So I'm not surprised because your Korean Ambrose is no longer going. Because Jonge has a local
producer.
So for me to maintain that level, I have to continue playing. And don't forget it. There are other people.
Okay, Ambrose, kwa penkiti. I've realized many songs are major better producing. I do very worry jingle. Huh? Now it has brought debates. Kangatoro koboni wearing at producing and obedo Ambrose Liberty. Jopiemo ko. How do you deal with that?
No, kaini PM ni peana go an peda metadi. Piana ngea beri. Kana no ngeshuor tuno kaya. Inuiting in at purati my narika in ngeocha.
Level. Yeah, okay.
Like there's a recent songs that I'm producing. The standard is different. When you hear guitar, I do pluck the guitar real live. You know, I was producing some song. After singing, after everything, the owner of the song refused that I'm not the one who produced that song. That's where I said, Ambrose Liberty is still
alive.
When you hear that, in the song,
Liberty
is still
alive.
Liberty is still alive.
A bigger audience.
Because right now, when you talk of West Nile, you just hear Liberty is still alive.
Liberty is still alive.
Talk of South Sudan,
Liberty is still
Liberty
alive.
is still alive.
Ambrose
When you're in Lira,
Liberty
Ambrose
is
still alive.
Alive. Ambrose Liberty.
No. Apenya do tieni. Tekijo kobini openyini. Michael. Tero akwena lono tiye. Ichakika kwele.
Anna yeah. Anna yeah. Edo gire apenyu dang pe abuati ja penya ni inu lo nu kwene. Ko ichao nu ngoni ngo. Na ma chi mer kong tie pien wano go pe donyo. O go pe donyo. Na ma chi mer pe ana tam ni yin ko iti kero opportunity ni. You speak to your audience. Make ko begini this is me. I'm still alive. Balan kai mi nu ngi yin pin kai tat kanu ban gira tat kanu ti mo tenu ngako mana. I want you to speak to the audience. You clear the air. Pe nan pe ko burun ko ba.
Okay.
I give you this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Mike. And as I told you, the level has changed. You see, even the way I'm calling you, I'm no longer calling you Odero. No, because that respect has to be. You deserve the respect. Now the truth is, I am Ambrose Liberty. I am still alive.
Okay.
And I'm doing wonders. I'm not advertising myself, but I'm telling you exactly what I'm doing.
spirit.